Hello and welcome to next lecture. Today we will learn how to voice cluster chords between brass section. Let's voice the vital space form of this chord between the trumpets, horns and trombones. So, the trombones take the G, F and the G. The G, C and D are played by the horn players. The top three notes will be taken by the trumpets. This is one option. Let's voice this chord between the tuba, trombones, horns and the trumpets. Please write your choice in the comments or attach the screen of voicing.